Students, good morning. Welcome to online class. 9th standard English. Children, last class explained the snake and the mirror. The narrator entered his room after his meal from the restaurant. He searched in the room for air. Generally, he started his relaxation. He went to his bed and he took his. He did not get sleep immediately. He wanted to take something going on this weather because of there was no air. So as you know, and he came out and again he came back from veranda and he sat in front of the chair. As you know, in the chair, in front of his chair, a big mirror was there, a comb, that is a lantern. Just he sat down and he opened the book, the Materia Medica. The Materia Medica. He opened the book just. Again he heard the noise. Then he diverted his mind because of his mirror. In front of his mirror, just he looked into the mirror how his face was. Then near the table, a small comb was there. Just he combed his hair, and he wanted to decide as a bachelor and a doctor. He looks more and more handsome, so he adjusted his hair. He took his comb and adjusting hair, and he set back, that is right side and left side and straight completely. And that is two important decisions here is, the first decision, important decision is to look more and more handsome by his combing his hair. And second one is also there to keep that attractive smile over his face. These are two decisions, that is here earth making decision. Earth making decision is refers to an important decision. An important decision. What is the important decision? To look more handsome. Why? Because the narrator was unmarried and being a doctor. So that he took always his face to look more and more beauty. He should give the importance of more handsome at the same time being a bachelor. So come children, here pay some for all of you open the textbooks. I told you take a pencil, underline which you feel difficult word. I explain each and every difficult word. So you should note down the particular meaning of the particular word in the sentence and put your finger on the paragraph, particular line, particular page. Now children, fourth page, fourth paragraph. Again came that noise from the above. As you know children, the noise means here the sound here. What the sound? The sound refers to here a rat's sound. Because the narrator lived in an old house, a small roofed house. So, you know, in the house generally rats are found in village. So that the narrator did not take this thing seriously. Again came that noise from above. I got up, lit a beedi and paced up and down on the room. You know children, paced means here, paced means here walking. Paced means here, paced up here. Paced up means here to walk up and down. To walk up and down. Paced means here is to walk up and down. Here this arrow, that is he walked this way, that way. Then another lovely thought of struck. Here is lovely struck. What is here lovely struck? Why? Because as a bachelor, when he saw that is a mirror, he wanted to marry who are beauty. Who are beauty. I would get married to a woman doctor. So the narrator wanted to marry a woman doctor. Why? because the narrator is a doctor, so that he thought that his wife also doctor. Naturally, I would get married to a woman doctor who had plenty of money. Here, he wanted to marry a woman doctor. Then second one is here, to be a rich doctor, a lot of money. Why? The narrator being a poor, as he is a poor man, so he wanted to be marry a rich woman. It is a natural phenomena in the world general. I would get married to a woman doctor who had plenty of money and a good medical practice. So first thing is here is marry a woman doctor. Okay. Next, rich. That is a lot of money. Woman doctor, rich and good practice. Having a good practice, medical practice like the narrator wanted to woman doctor, then rich and having a good practice. These are the desires of narrator. And second, and a good medical practice. She had to be fat. Most important reason is fat. She had to be fat means stout. Fat means here. For a valid reason. Why the narrator mentioned he wanted to a woman doctor? Okay, woman doctor means he also doctor, woman doctor. Why he wanted to a rich woman? Because being a poor doctor, so he wanted to rich. Next, why he wanted to having a good practice? Because he doesn't have a good practice. He is a simple, an RMP doctor. So he doesn't have a good medical practice. So that he wanted to his wife having a good practice. Last reason is his wife want to be fat, that is stout. So here valid reason. If I made some silly mistake, that is if the narrator does any mistake, that is simple mistake or silly mistake or anything wrong and need to run away, she should not be able to run after me and catch me. If the narrator commit any mistake or any wrong, anything like that, the woman that is here, his wife could not catch him. Why? If she was fat, that is, if she is fat, immediately she did run fast. She didn't catch me. So in this way, the narrator thought that his wife want to be a woman doctor, being a doctor, and poor, rich, because the doctor is a poor and having good practice. His wife wanted to have a good practice because he doesn't have a good practice. And fat means it is a valid reason. What is valid reason? If the doctor commits any mistake or anything wrong, if he runs from his wife, so his wife could not catch him. His wife did not catch him. She is unable to catch him because if she is fat, she won't catch him. So this is the valid reason by the narrator. He mentioned almost all these things struck his mind when he lit a bidi. He got up from his chair and he lit a bidi. He is thinking all these things like that. Now, children, next paragraph. With such thoughts, what are such thoughts? These are all such thoughts. Woman doctor and rich woman and having good medical practice and fat woman. These thoughts, he wanted to be married. These thoughts are particular woman who is doctor. With such thoughts in my mind, I resumed. Resumed is that is took back. Not on children. Resumed. R-E-S-U-M-E. Resumed. R-E-S-U-M-E. Resumed is here. Took back. Resumed means here took back. Again, that is here he sat his chair. With my seat in the chair in front of the table. Again, that is he stood and again he sat. That is in his chair before the table. In front of the table there was a mirror, as you know. There were no more sounds from above. He heard that is 4 times the sound, but at that time he didn't hear any kind of sounds from above. Above means here, as you know, roof. Here, suddenly there came a dull thud, as if a rubber tube had fallen to the ground. As students, you know that is a rubber tube. Just that is here is pulled down. Over there is 10 feet or a minimum 6-7 feet. Just it made a dull thud noise. A rubber tube sound. Did you listen? Rubber tube sound. Did you hear from outside? This is the sound just heard by the narrator. Just he thought that something is there. Surely fallen to the ground. Surely nothing to worry about because he thought that something is there. But he didn't care. Even so, I thought I would turn around and yet take a look. So thus he sat in his chair. Just a sound was there. Just he did not see immediately. Just he took a look. Just what it was. Just he took a look back. No sooner had I turned than a fat snake wriggled over the back of the child and landed on my shoulder. Immediately, here is a grammar point there of completion of the class. I will explain. No sooner had. No sooner beginning had subject plus verb. Here is there. No sooner beginning. Next here is the verb and subject. No sooner had I turned than a fat snake. So then when the narrator just looked, immediately a fat snake wriggled. Wriggled means turned. Here is there. Twisted, moved, twisted, not on children. Wriggled, W-R-I-G-G-L-E-D. W-R-I-G-G-L-E-D. Wriggled means over the, here is moved. Here is wriggled means here moved by twisted. Moved by twisted. So, మెలికలు తిరుగుతూ narrator అట్లా చూసేటప్పటికి అక్కడ ఉన్న big very fat snake wriggled over. Here is back side of the child. Immediately fast, very fast. That is landed on my shoulder. Narrator shoulder. Wriggle. Here is the chair is wriggled and his shoulder like this. The snakes landed on me and my turnings were simultaneous. Simultaneous means things done at a time. 2 things done at a time. What is here? The first thing is the narrator saw this one. How and what it was. Immediately the snake here is there. Immediately the snake crawling and here is here is wriggle. Wriggle means చుట్టుకోవడం. ఫాస్ట్ గా చాలా ఫాస్ట్ గా గుండ్రంగా తిరుగుతూ చుట్టుకుంటూ ట్విస్ట్ చేస్తూ here is the narrator's back side shoulder and reached his left arm. The snakes landed on me and my turnings were simultaneous. ఒక్కసారిగా నేను ఇట్లా వెనక్కి తిరిగి చూడడం ఆ స్నేక్ కింద నుంచి అలా ఫాస్ట్ గా చుట్టుకుంటూ వెనక నుంచి చైర్ బ్యాక్ సైడ్ నుంచి అట్లా వచ్చేసేసి here there is the snake wriggled over his, that is here shoulder, and that is landed on his shoulder just like that. The snake here is there. The snakes landing on me and my turnings were simultaneous. Simultaneous means two things or two actions done at a time. Done at a time. Now children, I have finished these two paragraphs, which is very big paragraph, two paragraphs which are very big paragraph. So students, you should be very careful. You have to read after completion of the explanation of the class. Go through textbook once you read, then understand, and you have to. Here is understanding of the lesson is very essential for getting more and more marks in comprehension passes. So the asking questions in CCE manner. You are in 9th standard. Don't be neglect. So you should be very careful. You should be very careful. That is reading and listening of the lesson and completion. Then go to make a questions based on the paragraph by your words. So by next, I completed half of the lesson. Third page and fourth page completed. Half of the lesson is completed. So I think you may have to make some questions for comprehension point of view at your home. You have to stay at your home. Don't go outside. This is very important precautions to every child, which is life is most important, most valuable for us. It is given by God. Don't go outside, children. Please stay at your home and follow online lessons carefully. So you should spend more and more time by next sessions, children. So I finished fourth page. Next class I should go next page, so that you have to revise everything and note down most important points of your notes. Okay, children. Thank you very much.